Today, I introduce you a wireless earphone. This is ANC wireless earphone. LED indicator for battery level. Type-C. Type-C for charging. See the light? The red light. They are being charged now. I take them out. So you pay attention to the lights now. Red light. I take it out. See the light? Red, white, red, white. Only white. Only white. Already connected with my phone. Because just now I have already connected with my smartphone. Already connected the earphone with my smartphone. So now I take it out, it will automatically reconnect with my phone. Take it out. Pay attention to the lights changing. White light only. Already connected. I put it on. This is the right ear. The ear tip. See the ear tip? The ear tip. This one, very soft ear tip. It helps the earphone to be firmly inside my ear. See, doesn't fall at all. Same way. Very firm. Doesn't fall. Now I play music. Already connected. See? Already connected. bubbles. I play bubbles. Bubbles is a music composed by a Japanese musician called Yusi Harikawa. Yusi Harikawa. He is very famous in composing natural sound. This music has the water flowing, ping pong ball, small stones falling. Ping pong ball, ping pong ball. Ping pong ball going this way. Small stones falling. Ping pong ball falling. Falling to the ground. Very good. We are very good. Very good. This earphone can analyze the different sound in details. I can feel the sound in details, direction, and the sound, pure sound. Now I change to another music. One Love. One Love is a music, only singer's voice, lady singer. No musical instrument. Pure lady sound. Very good feeling. Very good sound. Very good earphone.